You know, I'm often asked about easy hairstyles, and I think this one is incredibly simple. Top area, out in a rectangle, then I come through left and right, take a slice of hair on either side, put a little elastic in like that, and split the hair into two, flip it under and over, and then pull. Put the tail down and just start doing that all the way down the back of the hair like this. Now, once I've got that all there, I'm going to tong the back area, put it into curls. Look at this. I love this. There it is there. And I'm going to split this into two. I'm going to take one side up and twist it and add this in. You know, for the full tutorial of this hairstyle, because, you need to know where to pin it, you need to understand balances and finish and so on, become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club. Access Long Hair. This is fantastic. This is a gorgeous hairstyle to add into your collection. And here it is on our client.